Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through removing lines containing specific words from text files in HumanTool using terminal commands. So these methods are essentially for data cleaning and log management. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first we will be using the safest method using the grep. But first, let's open the terminal by pressing Ctrl+Alt and then T on your keyboard. That should open that terminal, as you can see right over here. Now let's write some data. So this is the text file that I created now. Just hit Enter. And also to check the text file, which you can see the name of it right over here. Let's enter a different command. So you simply paste the command, and then as you can see, this is the text file. And now once we have verified this, let's start with the method. So once you have verified the method, it's time to remove some lines. So the lines that we are going to remove is cat and rat said. Now in the first method, just simply copy and paste the command that will be given to you in the description box below. So after copying the command from the description, just simply paste it right over here. Now as you can see, this is the command, and right over you will be able to see the name of the text file that I created. Now for you, the name will be different. So whatever your text file name is, you have to enter that right over here. Now hit Enter, and now to see if it worked or not, just simply enter the next command, which you can find in the description box below, and then only hit Enter. And as you can see, the line called cat and rat is gone, which you can see right over here. So this was the first method. Now let's try the second method. Now in the second method, before removing anything, the first thing that you have to do is you have to create a backup of your text file just in case. So just simply enter the prompt given to you in the description box below and paste it right over here. Now again, make sure to remove the text file name that you have and make sure to add your text file name right over here. Now I'm just going to hit Enter, and once the backup is done, it's time to remove the lines. So just simply paste the command from the description box below. And as you can see, this is the command right over here. Again, make sure to change your text file name. Now just simply hit Enter, and it should be done now. And now let's see if it worked or not. So just simply enter the file name to verify it. And over here, just simply enter the next command and then hit Enter. And as you can see, the lines have been removed, which you can see right over here. Now, if you ever want to get your original file back from the backup, you can also do that. So all you have to do is just simply paste the command from the description box below, which will be this one right over here, and then assembly, hit Enter. And now if you check for your text file, it should be right over there, as you can see right over here. So that's it. You have mastered the 2 ways to clean text file and Ban2's terminal. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.